Edco tile saw is designed to cut various kinds of tile. This saw is ideal for both professional contractors and homeowners looking to install tiled surfaces. This video shows how to properly use and maintain the Edco 10-inch tile saw. Prepare the machine for operation by first placing it onto its folding stand. Install the 10-inch blade by first loosening and lifting the blade guard. Then take off the arbor cap by removing this screw. Place the blade onto the arbor shaft and make sure the blade slides next to the arbor backing plate. Reinstall the arbor cap and tighten the screw. Lower the blade guard. This electric saw runs on a 1.5 horsepower, 115 volt, 13.2 amp motor and runs on residential wall outlets. Plug in the saw and turn the motor switch to on. The blade will start spinning. To begin cutting tile, measure for the needed size, place the material onto the rolling table, and simply push the material into the spinning blade. The machine cuts up to 12-inch tiles diagonally and up to 20-inch tiles lengthwise. A submersible water pump and built-in misting system are included for wet cutting. Plug the pump into the motor and attach the misting system to the pump. Then fill the pan with water. When the saw is on, water will spray onto the blade. Airborne dust is harmful. Edco always recommends wet cutting. Simple maintenance will ensure the saw runs properly. Adjust the saw's belt tension by moving the motor towards the front or back. To access the belts, remove the arbor height bar and the tail handle. Then take off the blade guard by removing these screws. Then loosen the motor deck screws. If loosening or removing the belt, slide the mount towards the machine's front. To tighten the belt, slide the mount towards the back of the machine. Tighten the deck screws. Check the cutting blade before every use for cracks and worn out arbor holes. Do not use damaged blades. Serious injury and property damage may occur. For more information and to view all Edco training videos, visit edcoinc.com and Edco's YouTube channel. Call Edco customer service at 800-638-3326.